On March 12, 2025, the world watched as former Philippine President Rodrigo Duterte was arrested in Manila. He was swiftly transferred to the International Criminal Court, or ICC, in The Hague. This unprecedented event marks a pivotal moment in international justice. Duterte faces charges of crimes against humanity. These charges stem from his notorious war on drugs campaign. The ICC alleges that Duterte orchestrated a brutal crackdown on suspected drug users and dealers. This crackdown resulted in thousands of extrajudicial killings. Duterte's arrest is a culmination of years of investigation by the ICC. The court launched its inquiry in 2021. Judges meticulously examined evidence of the alleged crimes. They ultimately found reasonable grounds to issue a warrant for Duterte's arrest. This arrest sends a powerful message. No one, not even a former head of state, is above the law. The international community is committed to holding perpetrators of atrocities accountable. Duterte's arrest has been met with mixed reactions. Victims' families and human rights groups have long awaited this day. They view it as a crucial step towards justice. For them, it is a testament to the ICC's commitment to ending impunity. However, Duterte's supporters remain steadfast in their loyalty. They perceive the arrest as a politically motivated attack. The world holds its breath as this landmark case unfolds. Duterte's arrest marks the beginning of a complex legal process. The former president will now face the full weight of international justice. The outcome of this case will have far-reaching implications. It will shape the future of international criminal law and the fight against impunity. The ICC operates under a strict legal framework. This framework ensures a fair and transparent trial for all accused individuals. Duterte's case will be no exception. Following his arrest, he was brought before an ICC judge for an initial appearance. During this appearance, his identity was confirmed. He was also informed of the charges against him. The next stage in the process involves a hearing to determine if there is sufficient evidence to proceed to a full trial. The prosecution will present its case, the defense will have the opportunity to challenge the evidence. The judges will then decide whether to confirm the charges. If the charges are confirmed, a trial date will be set. Duterte, like all defendants before the ICC, is presumed innocent until proven guilty. He has the right to legal representation. The ICC trial process is meticulous and thorough. Both the prosecution and the defense will present evidence and call witnesses. The judges will carefully weigh the evidence and deliver a verdict. If Duterte is found guilty, he could face a maximum sentence of life imprisonment. The ICC does not have the death penalty. The ICC's commitment to due process is paramount. This commitment ensures that justice is served while upholding the rights of the accused. The world will be watching as Duterte's case navigates this intricate legal system. A chilling aspect of Duterte's war on drugs is the vast number of lives lost. The official police records tell one story. They indicate that approximately 6,200 suspects were killed during Duterte's presidency. However, human rights groups paint a far grimmer picture. They estimate the death toll to be significantly higher. Some groups place the number closer to 30,000. This stark discrepancy raises serious concerns about the true extent of the violence. It also underscores the challenges in obtaining accurate information. The Philippine government has been accused of underreporting the number of killings. This alleged underreporting has fueled suspicions of a systematic attempt to conceal the true scale of the atrocities. The ICC will undoubtedly grapple with these discrepancies in death tolls. The court will rely on a variety of sources to establish the facts. These sources include witness testimony, forensic evidence, and official records. Determining the true extent of the killings will be crucial in assessing Duterte's culpability. It will also be essential in providing a measure of justice for the victims and their families. The discrepancies in death tolls serve as a stark reminder of the human cost of Duterte's policies. They underscore the urgent need for accountability and justice. The ICC's investigation will hopefully shed light on the true extent of the violence. It will also provide a platform for the voices of the victims to be heard. Duterte's arrest has reverberated across the globe. Reactions have been mixed, reflecting the complexities of international justice. Victims' families and human rights organizations have welcomed the arrest as a long-awaited step towards accountability. They view it as a victory against impunity. For them, it offers a glimmer of hope that justice will prevail. However, Duterte's supporters have expressed outrage and disbelief. They remain convinced of his innocence. They perceive the ICC's actions as an infringement on Philippine sovereignty. The Philippine government itself has walked a delicate line. President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. has stated that the Philippines will not interfere with the ICC's proceedings. This stance suggests a willingness to cooperate with the international community. Duterte's arrest is a watershed moment for the ICC. It is a test of the court's ability to hold powerful individuals accountable for their actions. The outcome of this case will have significant implications for the future of international justice. A successful prosecution would send a powerful message. It would signal that even heads of state are not above the law. The world is watching this case closely. The stakes are high. The outcome will shape the fight against impunity for years to come. The hope is that justice will be served, no matter how long it takes.